Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are looking at an exciting new feature introducing in Business Central 2025 Wave 2, also known as BC27, releasing October 25th. With this new release, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central offers a faster way to perform data cleanup. Previously, if you needed to delete a large volume of data, the process could be slow and time-consuming. But now with the new Rec.Truncate method, deleting large volumes of data is up to 10 times faster. Let me show you how this works. This new method is available for all tables and can be used with or without filters. If you don't need to filter the records you're deleting, this method will perform a full table delete. First, let me show you how to delete all records from a table. Then I'll show you how to use filters to delete only some records. To delete all records from a table, simply call the Rec.Truncate method. For example, if I want to delete all records in the customer table, I would write this statement, and that's it. If I execute this, the customer table will be empty. However, if I execute this code, I will get an error message because the customer table has an onDelete trigger to handle this. You can use the Rec.Truncate method then else statement. In this case, if the Rec.Truncate method can't be executed, which it can't because of the trigger, then we execute the deletion method. Otherwise, we just drop the message. Now let's look at how to delete only some records. For example, suppose I want to delete customers who have the word test in their name. In this case, we can use the filters parameter to specify a simple filter. For this, we define a variable with the filter expression and pass it to the Rec.Truncate method. When using filters, the platform copies all matching records to a temporary table, truncates the data in the real table, and moves the records back. So, in this case, even though we are not deleting all records, the performance impact is still lower than deleting one record at a time with a loop. Only use filters when deleting a significant number of rows, as using filters for smaller deletions creates unnecessary overhead. That's it for this video. As you saw, deleting large volumes of data in Business Central is now much faster with the new Rec.Truncate method. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And please consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you, and see you next time.